Private resort na good for 40 packs na may malaking pool, karaoke, madaming board games and card games at may table tennis pa nga. 2 hours away lang siya from Manila. Tara! Yo mga kanos, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa 78 Captain Mamon Road sa Purok 7, Barangay Pansol, Calamba, Laguna upang mag-staycation sa Ezra Mountain Spring Resort. Kung magko-commute kayo, ride a bus from Cubao or Buendia going to Laguna and alight at Calamba Bus Terminal. Ride a jeepney to Pansol, alight at PTT Pansol and ride a tricycle to the resort. If private car naman, search nyo lang sila sa Waze app. At ayun na nga, bukod sa tahimik ang lugar, marami ka pang puno na makikita na nakapaligid. Meron silang kapansin-pansin na pool area na may adult pool na 4 feet to 5 feet at kiddie pool na 2 to 3 feet na may moderately warm, natural, fresh mountain water. May provided din sila na snorkeling goggles, swimming goggles at water guns kaya sure ako mag-e-enjoy ang mga kids. And a shower area beside an area na pwede tambayan. For the outdoor amenities, meron silang karaoke na pwede nyo gamitin 1 to sawa, board games and card games katulad ng chess, snakes and ladders, uno, jenga at bingo. At hindi lang yan may darts at table tennis din na provided. Ayos, di ba? For the kitchen, may chairs and tables, barbecue grill, refrigerator, burner gas stove, electric kettle, rice cooker, and hot and cold water dispenser. At dahil kaya mag-accommodate ng 40 packs ang resort na ito, meron silang 5 rooms na may 30 packs sleeping capacity. Meron 2 rooms equipped with smart TV, YouTube, and Netflix ready. Na meron 3 double bed and 2 single bed foam. 3 rooms with CR na may 2 double beds or double deck. They are pet friendly nga pala at may mabilis silang internet kaya pwede ka mag-work remotely. For their rates ay ilalagay ko na lang ito sa baba. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Ezra Mountain Spring Resort sa Pansol, Calamba, Laguna. Let's go!